Hi, in this tutorial you'll learn how to use Transition Composer. Run After Effects. Go to File, Scripts. Here you should see the script correctly added to the scripts list. If you try to launch Transition Composer now, you'll receive an error message that informs you that it cannot be opened. In fact, Transition Composer starts only if there is a selected composition. Create a new comp and launch the script again. Now you can populate the comp you've just created with all the images or videos that you want. But to simplify this tutorial, I'm going to add only 2 videos and build my transition. Okay, let's start. As you can see, the first and the second columns of the script are practically the same, but the first one controls the starting movement and effects of the transition, whereas the second column controls the ending transition behavior. The middle section is in and out independent, because these controls affect the entire transition. Finally, the last section is dedicated to preset controls. But let us get things in right order. First of all, you can decide the in and out direction of the transition. I'm now going to try and set the in direction to top and the out direction to down. Then I'm gonna turn the twist and the stretch effects on and set the image flip. The trapezoid shape into the icon represents the side of the image that will be pushed forward. For the transition out, I just turned the revolve effect on. I can also change the transition duration using the corresponding slider. When you press the Create Transition button, the script will create a cut transition and place it in the corresponding time indicator position. So, before generating the transition, I suggest you to place the time indicator exactly between the first and the second footage. Hold down the Shift key and move the time indicator to enable the snap. Then press the Create Transition button. As you can see, a new transition layer has been created and the cut marker is exactly between the two footages. Transition Composer doesn't control the existing transitions, so if you want to change any parameter or add and remove effects, you have to delete the transition just created, then make your changes and press the Create Transition button again. With Transition Composer, you can create different combinations with only 2 limitations. The first one relates to the revolve effect. Due to its nature, this effect is not compatible with the oblique directions and with the flip effect. And the second one is the incompatibility of zoom in and zoom out options with the flip effects. It is not necessary to set in and out direction. For example, if you want to create a simple zoom out transition, you just have to deselect all directions and turn the zoom out effect on. With bounce, wiggle and pulse, you can add an additional movement at the end of the transition, and with the corresponding slider you can increase or decrease the effect. A great utility of Transition Composer is the possibility to save your transitions. Set your in and out directions, effects and all the other options, check the transition, and if you like it, save it by pressing the Save button, type a name and press OK. Now your transition has been added to the presets list and you can recall it when you want, even if you close and restart the script. To load the preset, double-click and all parameters will be updated. The script doesn't create a transition immediately, so if you want, you can make some changes before pressing the Create Transition button. If you want to rename a preset, select it and press the Text button. Otherwise, if you want to remove it, press the Delete button. Transition Composer includes 50 glitch effects that you can import into your project. So go to File, Import, File, and choose Glitch for TC. Select and drag one of these glitch compositions below the transition layer. To activate the glitch, you should enable the Collapse Transformations checkbox. All glitches comps are set to 80 frames, which is the maximum duration of the transition generated by Transition Composer, so in this case, adjust the duration of the glitch. You are free to set the duration that you want. For example, you can start the glitch effect at the same time of the transition and stop it before the end. Or you can extend it even when the transition is completed. Adding 2 keyframes on the opacity to create a smooth glitch fade out. To replace the glitch, instead of removing it and adding a new one, you can simply select the glitch, then hold the Alt button down and drag a new glitch on the timeline. The script can't store the glitches, so if you like this combination, I suggest you saving a new preset with a note about the glitch you used. That's all, thanks for watching.